Then if Pops a raise pig now and a choppy line, what make you take body or a gi cocky because body fit you and this so you need there. And this may always don't come a PopsYG. They know what kind of news that now, Miss J.A. Miss J.A. come here now. Cause you go like in a first and information. Miss J.A. not tell me say hypocrite you play towards me like TikTok lie, you know. Hey, man, me have a plan for beat. You like come a plan for beat TikTok lie. I hope nobody not care about my name twice. Miss J.A. they know what kind of mix up this. Then come here now. Miss J.A. me gonna ask you some question. Just nod your head, yes or no. So the man with the behind Pops did naked. Tell me when Miss J. Ay. Miss J say yes. Then Miss J. Come here now, come here, you know about backers. And sometimes you have to do a backers face, though. Though sometimes you have to do a backers face, Miss J. I remember one video with Usher and P. Diddy. And Usher did that video, P. Diddy half a body, and P. Diddy head did a go so. Who remember? Nobody ever said that video there yet before P. Diddy got prison. 501 say yes. Miss J.A. say yes. You know, so when I see to the reflection, the Pops give me, Lord, Pops, you're cute. Pops, you're cute. Manala, you're pretty pan a back as little boy. You're pretty pan a back way, Manala. You look like you can moonwalk on body. Pops, you're cute, you know. At the best me ever see you look. Pan a back as. Then what are we the NC back she mix up? What are we the NC back she mix up? Ladies and gentlemen, me gonna say something. Then wait there before me say what me I say. Good as! Good all! Are we look for any rubbish pan? No man, the family I wanna get mad. Are we look for any garbage pan? Call K for me now. K asleep? Knock the louver glass. Knock Lando kitchen window for me. Knock it till it broke. Use a stone. Knock it again. Shaq class, yo. Can me hear your mouth in there? Look here, girl. Scan to ear. Look here. Can you hear bust down scan to you? Come here. Like shot fire in your wig. Drive by one in your wig. Oh, you hear them apart, so. Okay, come here. You come out pan candy now, man. You know, come out pan Pops. Then can you make Batman a wind up in your belly? Go, open up in front of the mirror where you have and use a tweezer and look at fine worm in your hole. Yeah, pick them out like thread. How we are going on the government internet? They don't want to go on here, so. So come here, PopsYG. You can't beg you one of them boy then. First, me I beg you one of them boy the Pops. Because if you no look so good at your mouth liquidy and you get back, cause then what wrong with me? Then what wrong with me, Pops? How PopsYG come here? I must tell Jesus. I must tell Jesus. Jesus can help me. Jesus alone. They know they never think say Pops a take order. And that I want to ask the whole I want to like on a surprise. Who they never think say Pops a take body? Who they never know say Pops a take body? Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you the truth. Not surprising to me. Maybe to Uno, but not to me. Me tell you this from before me sit down on my fridge top. From me sit down in my living room, I do live. From me sit down in my living room, I do live with the curtain room I have up for about 5 years straight. Cause me not take it down. Me tell you this every single day. And me even come the other day and talk it. Me say when you see a boy with so much man, don't believe say 2 out of the million not there. Did I say anything wrong? Come on, class. You know, say I don't believe no things on my talk. I don't believe no things on my talk. You know, say at least enough time I sit down for my program and I say things, and them people, because them know say I true, is either them fight against it or ignore it. Thank you, Sister Winnie. I always tell you, I could never take a man we put brethren over me. Me no bun in my hole. Cause sometimes I feel hot and another sensation eat. Another sensation eat. It's just that my whole dial me I try to send me even a text via WhatsApp and I say something alright, something alright. Then one of the things that them boy are ramp nowadays. Them boy want them prostate for check by body. Them no want doctor push up finger in a them. You mad? Test my prostate with your cocky. You never know that. Then if Pops are raise pig now and a choppy line, what make you take body or a gi cocky? Because body fit you and this so you need there. And this may always tell people. And this may always tell people. Me say these guys only use females as a cover up in order for going to the hot party them for go showcase because it make them feel off work. Them never get a mommy hug and a sister kiss or a sister protection or a brother big up. I always talk this. You can't change man cocky from where it want. Them boy are born with a batty nature. And if them not born with it, them inherit it. So it look like it depend on the will. Then you think I am surprised? You could have never been my child or my man. And all you walk with this peer boy and you dog them there. Huh? You dog them, I go jump you. So when you see all of them girl here, because you have some fabulous girls outside and you have some genuine ladies outside who really want a relationship, a whole a relationship, a take care of a relationship, and it's just not needed. If you never take a boy yet, shut your mouth and have a back seat. If you never take a boy yet and try to please him, whether washing clothes, cooking food, ensure say him be a man, because you never find him as a man, you not have nothing to say, but yet still all your hard earn and your hard effort go up in a flame. Them boy you no want no girl. The Bible did say men are going to become lovers of themselves. Men are going to become lovers of themselves. They are going to leave the natural affection of women and turn to man. I'm glad me no born a man. You never know. So enough time you see enough of them boy out the road. Them a saw it that was our. Them a patch pitch, them a back pitch bowl, and a look at home run. You never know that. But you see, some woman don't forget it. Don't forget it. Some woman see the truth and hide it with no crutches. Maybe enough of woman no want on a man go there to other man so now lend them on a bottom. I always talk these things. I mean, one of the first one come on the internet and tell you say, you can't have your man and rain a fall and him out a door with him brethren under one shed. So, hey, go suck. Hey, you don't let me get bringle upon this year, man. You don't let me take off my clothes and show my birthmark. You don't make me do it. Enough of them boy go to other boy for collect a change and send them a scammer. Shut your stinking mouth. Enough of them not beat no papers. Enough of them them not even computer literate, much less have a laptop. I pay blues them watch on them laptop, batty porn. And you sit down with your man, but you know my brother not teach me over chop the line. Some more time, you know see me in the other don't have females me the way I beat the books. Actually, me no want to talk certain things, you know. You know, say actually, me no want to talk certain things because me not pretty dan. Me not pretty dan, you know. Me no burn out certain things, you know. Oh, because me no want guilt take me. Oh, me not pretty body in a body. It's a good come ask the female them where I take the hood in them body. It's a good come from back way, make you tremble. Yeah. You never know that. The biggest, let me tell you, you say dancehall, and I don't want to use dancehall. You say them party are the most batty and cocky selling of them party. You never know. Me talk this already. Me talk this already. Boy, you dress up go look man a party. You never know. And me go talk something else when I go sit well with some other girl. Your man never got a party yet and him out, do you? In an attitude. As when I reach at the function, so you when if I hear a man this a yard, him just go on saying to the party, talk truth, and you busy I watch every girl where I look upon him. And a girl if you watch a man, you never know. When you ever see some boy in a party and them just go on so full of flair. Them not go like me, but me not in a like them attitude over the top. And them just go on and go on and go on. Me just ask you something because someone might not want to confess. Even if you not go with your man, but you ever see man in a party and all you look on him not get the time of him attitude just enough. Him attitude just enough. A batty boy them there. A batty boy them there. Them there a batty boy. But you can't blame them still because of society. It's because of society. No, it's true. Me did talk something one time. I'm going to repeat it. I'm not sure if no now remember. You remember when time I say, when you say Akim and figure it out, go out with Rosalie and Diamond, them not go out with them in order for go out with them. Them go out with them for use them for look other men. Well, you know, remember when time I say so? Them are not DL, Alicia. Alicia, and I saw you can a DL them ya. Them ya and a DL. Them ya not down nothing unless them are so good. Them ya and a DL. You think I joke me I make? As females, I'm not tired for watching a man's eyes. To say him a look on another girl is another man him a look on. Him a work for another man see him. Him outdress and him attitude is more than yours. And that you look the best because you born with the shape. No, but it's true. Kimi always say these things. Number one, look when a big like me. You think me could have take a boy where having pants drop down on him body and me and him go out the road? A liar tale. A liar tale. A liar tale. Me now go sit down at night time and ride your John and then you out the road at daytime and advertise your bottom? Never in a history. Never in a history. Never a time. That would have never work. Never in history. You have to be wise. So when everybody else say PopsYG this, a long time PopsYG that. A long time PopsYG that. And it's not PopsYG alone. Enough of them. Enough of them. When me and little girl I grew up, every man said Jaja Star. Girl left here rowny and every man have them pants on them waist. Now every man have them pants underneath them bottom. Every little boy have them pants underneath them bottom. What could have caused me if I drop down my pants so and go to it just so and them draw the belt tight so it plump up them bottom? Tell me the truth now, people, and you know batty boy. And then you go see Shebada road and say, oh, oh. And the whole of your batty advertise. And you mate you see you vex. And you mate you see and you upset. Me tell you say boy look on me already. Bad man look on me already and say judge a star. Me I tell you the truth. Me not see myself with no girl. Me see myself I live with a man. And so anytime the guy tell me that, I know from day one. It's true. Enough of them boy rather side with a man. You know, you them say bros over whores. Them tell you no. So when you go to clinic and them say Russian roulette in no hole, you can't blame the man them. Blame yourself. Blame yourself. You never know that. And now in a today day, I see man brave, we can rent hotel room with them one another. But we're going to rent somewhere and we're going to bring in some girl. No girl now come in. No girl now come in because you're your friend if I broke down the money first. You know, see how them treat women like shit. How can you love somebody? How can you really rate pum pum and you treat her crutches like shit? Tell me the truth now. Enough of them girls make themselves available. Enough of them make themselves available to be shit up. Okay? The part they are your own. Enough of them. A lot of them. Enough of them make themselves available. It is so easy today. I mean, it said this already, you know. I mean, it say, who remember, but I don't know if you don't remember, you know, but I always say, who remember when yamming crutches was a national disgrace and now it becomes a national dish? Who remember when time I say so? Because sometimes you have to remind you know, when now hold me up like Calvin, you know. Oh, when now go stress me out. Alright now, who remember when I said the same way sucking crutches was not the norm? Look how them generation here are gonna make Battyism be perfectly known. You can't see two men down the road and then I'm gonna say, oh my man that, and nobody can give me no chat. Who remember when I said that? Nobody have no problem with nobody now, you know. Family you can't give them a stipend. Them not have no problem with you. You can't rope in a brother with change. You never know, oh, if me I do that, you know, you have to go give me a big money, you know. Me not give no big money. For me have the intention, you will do it one way or another. Me not have no big money I give you. If you not give me, you will give somebody else. Remember Dick have Tom and Tom have Harry. So one of them must make you sorry. All you see pops, they never see pops with a woman yet. I una alone give them money straight. I never see pops in a relationship yet. I never see pops YG in a relationship yet. Look if him name call upon a girl, it come like Quint. I never see pops in a relationship yet, but him have a long-term relationship with him brethren, them ask clown boss. It's just the truth, Miss J.A. As some woman pan the app you walk and get enough Batman straight. Enough woman walk pan the app here and give Batman straight. When me sit down and me look and I'll figure it out, and I know I said to people that this guy is a cocky sucker from him do Gallus corner. You understand me? From him do Gallus corner, me talking. Me said this boy is a Batman. This boy is a Batman. Me all lock off my gate there. You see my gate radar? Me lock